Want to make money? I got you. Of course. Who doesn't enjoy making money online? We all do. Well, today we're here to talk and know about a super interesting app. Through this app, you can literally make a handsome amount of money that requires nothing but some of your time. Well. By some, I mean a minute or seconds. Welcome to Quick Money Club, an environment where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because it inspires me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. We are back with another money-making app that will earn you good rewards in cash. Yes, and as I always say, this is truly legit and trustable. Before getting into the video, let me make it very clear to you guys that all the apps and the methods I suggest to you guys are reliable and trusted, so you need not to worry that you'll be scammed by a third party or anyone. You won't. This is all legal and authorized, so there's no need to worry about it. In this app, what you got to do is follow the instructions I'll be sharing with you, and just go with me throughout the entire video so that you don't get lost. Easy. Alright, let us get started then. The very first thing you got to do is visit the app to claim your money that can be done by anyone, anybody, and from anywhere because it works in all countries. Doesn't matter if you're from China, the Philippines, India, Nepal, or any other country, this method will surely work for you. This is a brand new website that we have never talked about before on this channel, and guess what? It will pay $1,000 directly to your PayPal account. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, you can do everything for yourself. And if you are new here, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, then appreciate it by sharing the video, and I'll give you regular updates on how to earn money online in just a minute. Before getting into the video, let us do a setup first so that we don't lag behind or get confused anytime in the future. Alright, so the website we'll be making a setup for ourselves is called market.junglescout.com. The reason why we're here will be disclosed a bit later. First, we have to sign up with this website, that too for free. This website shares similar features as Fiverr, and as it is, the description says, the best Amazon freelancers, all in one place. Let me tell you, it is true. Hence, it is a freelancing website for Amazon. Well, to be true and clear, you don't have to sell anything on Amazon, meaning you don't have to be an Amazon seller. Not just that, you don't even have to sign up to Amazon. For this video, we're going to focus on methods and tools I'll be informing you about that will help you make easy money online. Moreover, if you're new to this online money-making deal, this app is the right place for you. Starting with the first step, simply visit market.junglescout.com and click on the Join for Free bar, where you can either sign up with your Facebook or even your Google account. I would say signing up with Facebook is a much easier and faster way than signing up with email. Once you complete the signing up process, the website will redirect you back to the website after you've confirmed your registration. Hence, after agreeing to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy box, you can click on Join Jungle Scout Market. By doing that, you can browse all the different projects made available for you on the website, which will surely make you money. On the homepage, you'll find a bar named Become a Freelancer. Just click on it and the requested page will appear in front of you. But how does it work? You got to create and submit an application to start the market certified verification process. Next, list your service, set your price, and offer your work to Amazon sellers. Besides, you will get notified when you're hired and use the system to discuss details. Last but not the least, when the job is done, you'll be paid by direct deposit through Stripe. Secure, easy, and hassle-free. All the required work can be done within less than an hour, to be clear. Half of the work is automatically done by the website itself. All you got to do is apply for the process and enjoy its fruits. So, now you have to apply to this website to start making money. Just click on the Start Application bar and fill in all your details. Enter your first name, then your valid email address, and simply click on the blue arrow bar. Once done, the page will redirect you to the next page. There you can submit your LinkedIn profile URL. I mean, that's recommended because that builds a base of trust for you and becomes more reliable in that case. Now you have to head towards the next step and fill in all your demographic information about yourself. Once you fill in all the details, you're all set to start making money. Come back to the homepage and make use of the search bar. Simply search for the keyword mockup, and the website will show up the list of people trying to sell their mockup services at different prices. For ones who are wondering about the mockup service, let me tell you it's really legit. Alright, you now have to come over to a website called placeit.net. It is a website where you can find thousands of different templates and already made designs for you, which can be used and sold on market.junglescout.com. Here you can upload any image and logo to a t-shirt or live models to mugs, to any kind of products that need designs to look attractive and eye-catching. For once, with no knowledge in designing, no worries guys, this website will do all your work. To be precise, people at market.junglescout.com are ready to pay hundreds of dollars for services. So as of now, you want to do a mock-up for the mug? Just click on the mug and it's going to take you over to the actual builder. For example, if your client wants you to put their logo on a mug, just click on the upload image and an image will be uploaded for you. Well, you can even make precise changes to the image if you wish to. That's totally on you guys. Once done uploading your image, you can simply paste the logo onto the mug, and it's done. Once it's done, you can go over to the Jungle Scout Market website and can sell that service for $200 or $500 or even $300. That's totally your call. Well, for one's wondering, why would anyone pay us for just simply pasting a logo to a mug or t-shirts? I get your question, and it's obvious. So the thing is, not many people know about the tool that we've used in order to design the design. So many do find it a tough job and rely on people like us to do their job. In order to maximize your earnings, just don't limit yourself to the market.junglescout.com. You can further sell your services on Fiverr.com, and to be accurate, Fiverr.com is a really successful freelancing website, and I assume most of you might already know about it. All you have to do is search for a mock-up service on Fiverr.com, and you will be able to come across over more than 1,000 services available at the moment. Besides, to confirm the website's reliability, you can check on the people who have been or are selling their services and their mock-up services for on average $50, and you are getting tons of sales. Told you, this is really legit. Hence, just from the service, you can see people carrying out the same thing, not once but multiple times on Fiverr.com itself. All I would recommend to you guys is to go creative, go fresh, and not get indulged in any copyright issues or such. Moreover, try to deliver your services ASAP so that your client can provide you not just with money but profitable feedback. Well, to be precise, simply start your journey with the first website we discussed, as it will take you less than 60 seconds to submit and sell your design services to multiple clients. You just got to upload the image or logo, whatever you've created, and simply click on download, and you've just delivered it back. That's all you really have to do, and you can get your earnings. Get familiar with the website so you can make more money and don't have to actually rely on a single source of income. Adapting to such methods can actually make you the most that you would have imagined. All you have to do is be sincere and honest about your work. Personal note: making money online is an easy task, but relying on the same doesn't make sense. All these hacks which I've been sharing with you guys are all true, but first things first, you're only eligible for making money through the hacks which we discuss in our videos, only if you follow the perfect steps and are keen to it. By that I mean to earn well, you've to be punctual and keep looking at the surveys, because many of the times we miss out on the biggest earning opportunities, assuming the tasks or the surveys will come to your doorstep. This is not how it is. You have to keep checking your mail from which you've registered on the website. This is all you've to do, and you're ready to fill in your bank account. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel, Quick Money Club. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.